Love Chat, what's good? How we doing, man? Welcome back. What's good? What's good? What's good? Yo, so shit, camera again, bro. Every single time. But listen, chat, what's good? Give it 2 secs. It'll be on in a second. Great. What's good? What's good, Noodle Holtz? What's good, Michael? Good, Omar. Good, Max. Yeah, good morning, man. How's everyone doing? Welcome back. So, big day today, man. Big day. Listen, wait, let me move this a little bit. Alright, that should be better. Yeah, perfect. Cool. Great. What's good, High Life? What's good, Louis? Okay, chat, cool. 30-minute flipped. Wow, I did not expect that. Okay, nice. So, chat, let me get into this breakdown real quick, and then we'll get started with the day, right? But essentially, the weekly, obviously, you're pushing up. Daily as well, you did actually come up first, grab a top wick, and now you are reflipping and looking to break those current daily lows. 4 hour too. I mean, you got no top wick really on the 4 hour, a little one, but not really anything major. However, I do believe, you know, you should have some room to continue down here. Obviously, if you do actually want to make a push down for the day, you got clean traffic all the way down to like at least 2637. So with that being said, hopefully we can continue down here. We do have some nice closures, don't get me wrong. I would say we need to drop down to the lower time frames most likely. Drop down to like the 15 probably. Yeah, we'll drop down to the 15 and just plot our levels out there. Just because I do think, you know, you don't have much structure on the one. There's literally no structure. So I do actually want to see some of the structure that we do have. But realistically, until then, yeah, you should be good. You got an hourly close in 15 minutes here. I do want to wait until that to see exactly if we are going to continue pushing here. But you might actually get like 15-minute celery play being formed here, which actually wouldn't be bad for us to take in terms of sells. I'm just a little bit concerned with selling right now because, well, because of how bullish we've been recently, right? But yeah, man, listen. Yeah, hopefully you all had a good day so far. Hopefully you had a good day yesterday. How was everyone's day yesterday? What did you get up to? Did you catch anything? And many pips or what? What are we looking at? Okay. 15-minute close like hammer candle. Interesting. How rich are you compared to when you started? I guess richer. I don't know. It's a weird question. I can't really quantify that. 11 pips for NY. Call it a day. Hey, let's go, Noodle Holtz. Good stuff. Nothing on the big move up from yesterday. Yeah, true. That was a lovely little play. It's a lovely little play yesterday. We caught quite a clean move on that. In signals, we caught like 37 pips. A nice little push up. Really nice. Again, you're starting to reject here. I want to check if the hourly is going to reflip or not. I don't know. I'm a bit hesitant to take these sells here, if I'm honest. A bit hesitant. But listen, let me just see if I can do this quick. Let me just see if I can do this. Chat, we are so close to 4.5k subs. Like, stupidly close. 30 subs off. Kind of crazy. I have a question. I tried to change my YouTube banner. It keeps just saying failed to update channel banner. Why is that a thing? I don't know, man. Anyway. How's everyone's week been so far? I know we're only like 2 days in, but it's been a good week so far. Don't get me wrong. It's been a bit of a W week. Thinking about sales on the 15 flip. Yeah, if this candle didn't close like hammer candle, then yeah, I guess I would have taken it as well, but not the biggest fan. This is technically a reversal candle, if you believe in that sort of stuff. But yeah, cool. Let me just fix this. Nice. Maybe because you're live. Yeah, maybe. What's good, KB? How you doing, bro? Chat 30 flipped here. 1 hour coming up towards a reflip. So I don't know, man. I think it's a little bit difficult to take sales right now. Seem to be struggling to push down, right? If you're going to continue down, you just rip, I think. All good, mate. And you? Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. Chilling, thank you. Yeah, I'm just interested to see whether or not, you know, we actually do want to push down here, or if we do start to reject, right? Because if we do start to obviously show signs of rejection, then we can look to take buys once you get a closure above like 26.57, right? Once you get back into this range, maybe even a little bit lower. No, that is the range. Once you get back above there, you're going to continue up to like, obviously at least 26.60. I'm not saying that you will definitely do that, but if you do decide to push up, obviously we can try and catch that move as well. Oh yeah, I feel like shit. I think I caught a cold yesterday. Woke up with the worst headache and throat pain. Ah, tough, bro. That is tough, man. Just get rested up. Yeah, get yourself back to full strength. Alright, man. But chat, listen, if you are if you haven't already, make sure you drop a like if you didn't enjoy the stream so far. I think, to be honest, right now we just have to wait. There's not really any setups forming for me here. There's not as much volume either. It's a little bit strange. I'm not sure why. But you do have a 1 hour close here in 10 minutes, so there should be a lot of potential based off of that. Especially if you can start to close bullish here on the 1 hour, we might be able to take some buys to continue up. I want to say that this essentially is a level down here at 26.51. We haven't actually tapped it. And obviously the 15 might flip, don't get me wrong. But I feel like, yeah, I feel like we're starting to reject here. Might be because you need to resize it. I've had that problem loads of times. Yeah, I don't know. It says it's the right size, so I don't know. I'll figure it out. I think it's a glitch. But yeah, chat, look at this. So the 1 hour flipped here, 30 flipped, 1 hour flipped. Potentially, if you close bullish here, you could take a continuation up. I'm not massively against that, but you obviously have to close bullish on the 1 hour. Good, Eugene. It's good. File type, yeah, no stress. Figure it out. You're in a blazer? Why would I be in a blazer? Doesn't make any sense. I have a 3/4 zip on. But yeah, look, chat. This could be clean here. Let's see. 9 minutes to the closure. Lock it in here, man. Focus it up. I think also that now, if you do start to flip on the 15, obviously you can look to take the sales below 26.53. But again, you just need some clean setups here. Realistically, the best thing here would be if we could push up and close above 26.57, but obviously you've got a lot of room until you do that, so I think you can take the buys to try and anticipate us tapping into that level again, at least for a retest, right? Because you haven't retested this area now before you're going to come down, right? You haven't actually tapped back into it. So, yeah, I do believe you should do that at some point, I can't lie. Cool. Yeah, chat, yesterday, the trade that we caught in the signals, bro, I swear, it was the weirdest play. I mean, it wasn't really weird. It's understandable. It was an all-time high, right? We caught some buys, and we were sat floating around like 8 pips, and I was like, break even. Didn't close anything. And then I turned like away for a second, came back and it was 40 pips up. I was like, oh shit. I just closed full. It was so weird. It literally took like a millisecond. I mean, you can't complain about those, right? You can't complain. Sort of like the best thing about like high volume and all-time high, I guess, is you get your pushes quick. Whether you're gonna get stopped out or whatever, it's gonna be quick. What were your buys based off of? It was a, what was it? It was either, was it a 30 or a 1? I think it was a 30-minute closure above. It might have been the 1 hour actually. I believe it was this 30-minute closure. Which one was it? Here? Yeah, I think it was this one. You just ripped up. Yeah, it would have been. So that was actually the 1 hour. You're right. Oh, so that 1 hour ended up closing bearish. Crazy. I didn't even look at that. That's very interesting. Chat, look at this. You're pushing up now, like we said. Obviously, we didn't get any entries printed just yet, but you are pushing up exactly how we said, and you're going to retest into the area, which is a little bit difficult because obviously that was our advantage point, but yeah, so be it. So be it. Yeah, you got 6 minutes as well to the 1 hour close here, chat. If you could somehow push up into 26.57 and close above there, and how big are your stops going to be? They're going to be massive. I know, only 60 pips. But I feel like that's a bit of a long shot, I'm not going to lie. You'd be quite overextended. And also, your advantage point's gone now, which is tough. This is the exact move I was looking to take advantage of, right? You had essentially 20, 25 pips until the top of the range. I mean, now what we can do instead is we can obviously wait, see if the next candle has a closure above, or even this candle if it decides to. Close back into the range, and once you do close back into the range, obviously then you do expect to fill it. Yo, what's good, Gandhi? How you doing, bro? What's good? What's good? But yeah, chat, listen, a lot of potential today regardless. I think, again, if it's not this closure here, obviously you got the next 30 minutes and then the 4 hour after that. 40 minutes. Yeah, the 4 hour after that. But one of those should give us some potential. Like, chat, regardless of what happens, if you just wait for the right setup, you're going to have a lot higher probability of getting those positions, right? So yesterday, I don't know if anyone saw on my Instagram story, but I posted a story about yesterday's trade, and essentially we waited the whole day. We waited the whole day for our setup, and when it eventually came, we executed. We caught our win, right? We caught our 40 pips, but had we have taken a setup earlier that wasn't, you know, a textbook, we obviously wouldn't have been able to take advantage as well. So that's like the main thing, I'd say. Cool. Greetings, Trent. What's good, Michael? How's it going, brother? What's good? What's good? Chat, what was I going to do? I was about to show you something. Cannot remember what I was about to show you. Alright, I don't know. Anyway. Let's see here, chat. 3 minutes here to the 1 hour close. You look like you're probably going to close respecting this sort of support here, which is not ideal, really. Obviously, you would want to close above. You've got 3 minutes, though, so anything could happen. Alternatively, right, if... hey, what's good, Lone Trader? How's it going, man? Alternatively, if you do close respecting it, you could look to take some sales for the continuation downwards. But, yeah, that gets a little bit difficult. You tapped it now. You need to see how we react here. You look like you're going to reject off of it as well. Look at that, man. When you see the levels like this, you literally... When you see it reject like this, you know your level's perfect. Like, look, it tapped it on the dot and rejected. No one can tell me that support and resistance doesn't work when you see stuff like that happen, bro. It literally tapped our level on the dot and then rejected. Yeah, it might continue up now, don't get me wrong, but it still reacted off the level, which shows you exactly what you're looking for, right? Can we push up and close above here, chat? If you do close above with a top wick, which is, I know is a little bit difficult here because you are, you know, quite overextended. If you do that, we can take some bias to continue to the top of the next range. I think that's a very valid play. So much potential today, chat. Yeah, also, we've got 1 week left until the end of Q3, right? Not even 1 week. You got like 4 trading days left, basically. Which is ridiculous, right? We're soon going to be into Q4, which is just crazy. I think, to be honest, Q3 has been one of my best quarters. It's been a very, very good sort of, you know, quarter of the year. I do believe Q4 and every quarter from now on is just going to get even better, though. I'm super excited for what's to come towards the end of this year and into next year. I think realistically, it's only up from here. It's only up. Got a lot of projects in the works, chat. Bro, even like today and yesterday still, I got about 3 new like parcels for camera equipment. So yeah, the quality of all the content's going to increase. Got some new business ideas we're working on. This shit's going to be next level. Super locked in, chat. Look at this though, you rejected just before the closure. What's good, Jordy? Yeah, this is clean as well. If this level, if you closed above the level here, you'd be good to continue up, but unfortunately we didn't. Yeah, chat, Jordy's right, man. Drop a like if you haven't already. If I get to 50 likes on today's stream, you guys are popping off recently. We're bouncing back after the shadow ban like nothing ever happened. And yeah. Funny, man, like our growth stopped for a little bit during this shadow ban, and then you guys just continued like, yeah, like it was nothing, which I'm super happy about. Super happy about. But yeah, now what we can do, chat, as well, since you closed respecting, right, is this essentially could be a retest here. So what you can do is you can wait for just a nice little bearish closure, either on like the 15 or the 30 minute. You can take that as a continuation down. Alternatively, you can wait for a closure above here. Obviously, you need to grab a bottom wick realistically. But alternatively, yeah, if you close above, then obviously you can take the play to fill the range to the top towards like 26.61, even maybe higher, 26.63, right? That's what we'll probably look for. What's good, JD? What's good, Julian? Shadowman can't keep us down. Nah, 100%. Cannot. What's good, FNAM? On my break again. This guy's always on his break. Do you ever do any work, bro? Nah, I'm playing. No one saw that. No one saw that, okay? Promise you no one saw that. Working hard or hardly working. Yeah, exactly that, bro. Exactly that. Listen, okay, cool. So you are deciding to push up here, like we said. Clipped. Fuck. He's got me. Yeah, realistically, like we said, we pushed exactly how we expected here. It's mad how we actually predicted that on the dot. Obviously had no entries, but yeah, we predicted that it would reverse all the way from like 64 here. Sorry, 54. But now the question is, can we actually get ourselves an entry? If we can grab an entry somehow, that'd be great. Maybe let's wait for the next 15-minute close, and then you can take a position to fill you up towards the top of the range. Otherwise, I don't know. If it fills this range, it gets a little bit difficult, chat. I'm not going to lie. It gets a little bit difficult. I'm going to push this up here, though. I do think you could probably include this in the same range, right? Yeah, I'd say so. Lucky London stream at the time of my break start? Nah, no, bro. I'm just messing. So now the question is, are we going to continue up, or do we want to start to close below here? Now that you've grabbed the top wick, obviously we could reject, close below and continue down. Or obviously we just decide to continue up. Now the 4-hour close is in 56 minutes. Did the 4-hour actually flip here? Did you just flip then? No, not quite. You nearly came up towards the 4-hour flip, but not quite. That would be very interesting, chat. If the 4-hour does decide to flip, we will most likely be able to take some buys to continue up. But it doesn't look like it wants to at the minute. Looks like it might be struggling here. So we'll see. We shall see, chat. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm absolutely shattered. Super tired this morning, but yeah. Anyway, nonetheless, same stuff applies. Yeah, what are you guys training today though in the gym? I think, to be honest, I should probably take a rest day. I'd love to go and train legs, but I can't because I'm injured. Oi, Trendline Mafia was good. That's a hard name. What's good, Ranko? Trendline Mafia is kind of a hard name. Rest day for me? Yeah, I hear that. I feel like it's International Rest Day. Leg day it is. Insane, bro. Good stuff. Good kill it. Yeah, bro, if my foot wasn't fucked up, I'd probably train legs, but it is fucked up, so I can't. Back? You're training back or you're back? Which one? Yesterday got tired, took one coffee, then finished shift, pre-workout, hit the legs at the gym, went home, trade till 3:30 a.m. Man, I can't sleep until 9 a.m. Woke up 1 p.m. then go back to work. Bro, insane. You have a crazy schedule, bro. Weather is horrendous here. Need to move abroad, bro. Trust me. Oh, someone asked me earlier what the weather was like in the UK. Who was that? Oh yeah, Lone Trader, bro. You asked how the weather in the UK is. It's raining and cold. Standard default boilerplate UK weather. Yeah, trust me. I was looking at places again last night. I was looking at properties to move to because, yeah, I gotta get out of this country. Massively need to get out of this country. I want to push pull legs program, and today is a rest day, but might go for a light 5k run just to get out of the house. Just a light 5k. Yeah, man. PPL is not bad. I like PPL. It's a good program. But yeah, I definitely agree. Like, getting out of the house is important. You can't just do nothing. I'll probably go for like just a long walk or some shit. I don't know. Or move to Vietnam, you'll live like a king there. Bro, that's really funny you say that. I was looking at Da Nang yesterday. I was looking at apartments in Da Nang. You can get like a penthouse for like 500. What was your Bugatti color? My Bugatti is black, bro. Just printing off hundreds of millions. Them just printing off hundreds of millions a day and paying off their debts with money they just printed the day before. Yeah, trust me, bro. Insane, eh? Looking at Da Nang for next year, lol. Bro, it looks nice, I can't lie. It looks good. Only thing I'm thinking is like, I want to be somewhere where there's a lot of like rich people, if that makes sense. Like a lot of entrepreneurs. I don't know if there is that there. Like I want like, I don't know. I want to live in Monaco without Monaco prices. What I'm trying to say. Yeah, look at this though. So you're coming down, you flipped on the 1 hour candle. You're coming towards essentially a closure here in 6 minutes on the 15. Want to see if you can close like this, and then you might be able to get some sells for the continuation down, right? That wouldn't be a bad play at all. Yeah, bro, Vietnam is lit. I'm here now. I've been here for 1 year, just trading and living life. Bro, that's what, yeah. Definitely need to find somewhere to do that, bro. I've got so many options right now, though. It's a little bit difficult. I know that's like a big first world problem, but I just can't pick one. Can't pick where to move. I suppose not. It's an important decision, right? Yeah, the question is, are you going to close bearish here, or are we doing the same thing as always, right? Top wick, bottom wick, and then reflip. I was discussing that in the coaching group yesterday. We've been seeing a lot of that sort of movement going on. Something to take note of for sure. Mauritius? Yeah, but it's a bit... no, Mauritius is cool, but it's a bit like rural, no? It's an island. There's no like... I kind of still want to be in a city. I don't know if that makes sense. That's why Da Nang's cool. That's why Cape Town's cool. Because it's like a city right by the beach. Otherwise, it'd be like Cyprus, Marbella. I don't know, something like that. Look how the 1 hour close. This might just be the bottom wick to continue up. Yeah, I mean, potentially, right? Like I said, whoa. Fucking Siri, bro. It scared the shit out of me. Jesus, I don't know if you guys heard that, but Siri just started screaming at me. Actually, just go between countries. That's my plan for the next few years. Yeah, but I can't really do that, bro, because I've got a stream and shit. You know what I mean? I guess I could. Like, I want like a cool office setup. I've got my PC, all that sort of stuff. I don't know. I'd love to do it though. Maybe if I stop streaming, but I don't really want to stop streaming. Nasty week for me, to be honest. What's good, Yanga, though? Looking like one of those no trade weeks, nothing valid whatsoever. But these are the times that show me how far I've come as a trader. I would have lost my mind before. Yeah, that's huge, bro. That's huge. That really is a good sort of milestone. Once you can like navigate these tough conditions and be okay with it. Bro, yeah, but I was looking at like these apartments in Da Nang. They look crazy. Kids are older now. They can trade on their own while you hop around countries for a while. Yeah, true. But nah, streaming is obviously like one of the best parts of this. So one click on the PC, food delivery to the table. Yeah, I know, bro. That's good. Real videos, what's good, man? That's old news, bro. I'm not gonna comment on that anymore. Old news. Nah, what's good there? Welcome to the chat. You are going to start to push up a little bit here, I think. The 5-minute close, basically no bottom wick. And now the next one's made a bottom wick and flipped. So realistically, you're either going to see a continuation up here, or you might just range for a little bit. But I want to see a closure above, to be honest. I want to see a decent closure above here, and then we can take some positions for buys potentially. 2 Weetabix is 5 grams of protein. That's niche. Can I have 20? Yeah, fair. What's good, Cheryl? Okay, chat, you got a 15-minute close here in a minute's time. 5-minute is probably going to close bullish here, which means that you can't really take sells. I guess it's not going to close bullish. I mean, technically you've got room down here, but your advantage point is gone pretty much. What's good, Jar? How's it going? I can't hit my protein. Bro, that guy's gone viral off that. That shit's popping, even in like America. You I hate with a passion. What's that kid's name? I don't even know his name. That gym influencer kid from the UK who's like 30 kilograms soaking wet. Doesn't eat food, doesn't even train or anything. But he's apparently a big gym influencer. I hate that kid so much. Jack Fit. Yeah, Jack's Fit. That's what it is, bro. Yeah, man. At the start, it was alright because it was like good on him, trying to get in shape or whatever. And he's just a prick. Yeah, you seem indecisive here, though. You seem like you're trying to push up a little bit, but then it's rejecting. But yeah, you are struggling here. And he might be taking steroids also. No shot. But if he was on steroids, he would not be that small. If he is on steroids and he's that small, that's ridiculously embarrassing. You take creatine? I used to. I don't really take it anymore. I got a bit inconsistent with it. It also makes you quite watery. I don't know why, but watch your leg training reel. I love training legs now, lol, and listening to Brazilian funk. Yeah, bro. I can't lie. Brazilian funk's quite good at the gym. Makes you watery. What the fuck does that mean? But you have subcutaneous water, right? Which means that like you look less lean if you take creatine. Oh, no, not necessarily, but some people do. I don't know. I feel like it makes me watery, like in my face and everything. I don't like it. Could just be a placebo, but there you are. It does give you a lot of strength. Yeah, true. Creatines work wonders for me. A lot of water weight, but the benefits are worth it. Yeah, I agree. I agree. No, it definitely is good. Don't get me wrong. I also think a lot of people react better to it than others. But anyway, chat, the 15-minute closed here. You did close bearish, right? You closed bearish, and now you're getting a bottom wick first. So obviously there's no sells here or anything like that. But obviously we're going to have to wait now till the next 30-minute closure. You have sort of filled the range here. I want to see if we can reject here, especially off this 26.55 level. We can reject here, tap back into, or close back above, sorry, 26.57. And we should be clean to take some buys up. But until that happens, chat, you know, we're just in the range here. This is a bit of a no trade zone right now. This zone here between 65, between 26.57 and 26.53 is a no trade zone for me. Once you do close below there, though, yeah, you should be good. push this up here. Oh no, that's the better zone. Imagine trying to make, bro, what? I'm not even reading that out. That's the most, that is suspect. That's crazy, Mr. FTMO. Mad. What's good, Matt? Opens YouTube to read what the fuck this guy said. Yeah, I know, bro. That's insane. What's good, Remy? What the fuck is London Sesh, bro? I don't know. It's deteriorated, definitely, bro. I don't know what's happening here. But yeah, listen. Again, you got the 4-hour close as well in 41 minutes. That's going to be an important closure too. I do want to see what we do in terms of that as well. I think realistically, yeah. I want to see us flip here. I'd rather get the buys, if I'm honest. I feel a lot more comfortable buying here than I do selling. Right, cool. But listen, chat, there's 80 of you in here right now. I appreciate you guys very, very much. Make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. Let's try to get to like 50 likes, something like that. And yeah. See what we can do here. Cool. What do you think about what's happening in the Middle East right now? Do you think it'll escalate to a World War III? I'm just a YouTube streamer, bro. I'm not a fucking global politics expert. I've got no clue. But I do think that there's a lot of opportunity and a lot of profit to be made with wars, so I don't see why not. I don't see why. Like, there's a lot of things that could happen, bro. I can't lie. Yeah, bro, SCXT, the US debt is ridiculous. 35 trillion in debt. Yeah, they're just printing and printing and printing. It's insane, to be honest. Hasn't the US dollar lost like 99% of its value in the last 100 years or something? Anyway, chat, look, the 15 minutes coming towards a flip here. So if you can flip on the 15 and continue up, you should be good to go. I want to see a closure above. Definitely an indecision zone right now, though. We're sort of deciding what we actually want to do rather than rather than making a move, which is fine. Remember what happened yesterday, chat? We were literally ranging for the longest time, and then once you do make that decision, it will just continue, right? It will just push. Hopefully we don't have a barcode London session like yesterday, though. That was actually tough. I'm not going to lie, chat. Where was that? That was here, right? Yeah, chat, look at this. This is what we had to deal with in yesterday's session. That was ridiculous. But as you see, once it does make the move, it will actually go. You know, it'll push a long way. And my better? Yeah, it depends, bro. It goes in cycles. Like, sometimes New York's better, sometimes London's better. Like, the past month, the past, like, 2 months, actually, I'd say, London's been very good. It's been very lucrative for us. But yeah, it does depend, you're right. But sometimes, yeah, right now New York's better, I'd say. I agree. Luckily, we do stream New York too, right? So I'll be on, I'll be live for New York in about 2.5 hours time, or 3.5 hours time. But welcome, Arnold, man, welcome. Yeah, good stuff. Okay, we'll tune in then. Appreciate it, bro. Chat, whilst I've got you, man, if you do want to grab any funded accounts, make sure you go to ACG and use code SG. I think they do have a sale on it, actually, at the minute. I can't remember if I saw, but yeah, you will get 20% off with code SG regardless. So make sure you go grab that if you do need a new account. I think, yeah, I mean, I think, to be honest, they're the most reliable firm in the industry at the minute. Maybe FTMO too, but other than that, I don't trust anyone else. Well, and FTP, right? But other than that, I think any firm based outside of like the UK or like I don't really trust US firms. Where's FTMO based? I don't even know. But anyway, chat, 5 minutes to the 30-minute close here. You are starting to push up now. 15-minute did just flip. I don't know if you saw that, but we did just flip bullish on the 15-minute, which is good. But it's Europe. Yeah, I thought so. Check. Crazy. Yo, what's good, Zero? How you doing, man? Chat, if you can continue up here, close above on the 30-minute, we are going to be clean for some buys here. But you just need to get that nice little closure above. Somewhere around like 2657.8. Then you should be good to go. Amazing in Prague. Interesting, bro. I didn't expect that. That makes sense, though. Interesting. So you look like you're struggling a little bit. 5-minute did close no top wick, which is difficult, but the current 5-minute also has just grabbed the bottom wick. When I get a call from Sydney, I know it's them. Bro, trust me. I used to have that all the time when I was with IC. I just get like random Australian calls. Okay, one sec. Don't trust US firms? Yeah, the US firms most likely don't have regulation. It depends what they do, but especially if they're trying to use MT5 or MT4 or whatever. I mostly trust the UK firms, and then I guess European firms too, but mostly I think UK is good because we have very strict financial regulations here, right? If you can actually get, you know, regulated in the UK, you're most likely good. Chat. Just another one, right? Go back about 8 months time and ask me my opinion of funded peaks. Now see that they went down yesterday or the other day. Just saying. Just saying. I'm actually the predictor of this shit. SG, you called 2800 a few weeks ago. Honestly, I didn't think it would come this week, but it looks like it might hit this week. Potentially, bro. I mean, we're not far off, right? You came to 2670, which is just insane. Insane, chat. Like, I did not expect us to just rip up this far. If I'm honest. Predicting the downfall of prop firms? Certain props, yeah. Or do you mean prop firms as a whole? I think one day it'll be over for them. Don't get me wrong, I think one day it'll be game, but so far this September is the first green one for gold since 2013. Crazy. I know, bro. Insane. That is actually ridiculous. I feel like it might just be a luck. I don't know. Probably not a good marker on the economy at the minute. That's probably not a good marker, but there you are. At the start, I actually trusted TFT. Bro, TFT still send me coupons for 50% off all the time. Like, I still get emails saying, oh, 50% off at TFT, bro. Who is buying that? No one's buying that, surely. Chat, right, you got a 30-minute close here in 1 minute. You look like you're going to close bearish now, even after that 15 flipped, which is interesting. You're definitely struggling to make that push up. World War 3, get educated. Yeah, it'll come. But getting educated is not going to do anything to us. At the end of the day, like, we're just kind of insignificant in the grand scheme of things. There's a level of, like, blissful ignorance, though. I see usually calls me after a good week. Wait, why? Pat you on the back or what? Or to tell you to stop trading? See you all on the front line? Yeah, trust me. Nah, I'm gonna be... I'm gonna get my fucking DJI drone out and just start whipping it about. That'll be my plan of attack. I've got it literally up there. It's like... C4 attached to it or something. Chat, for legal reasons, that's a joke. Or anyone says anything. Chat, 30-minute close bearish here. Yeah, bearish, bottom wick first. No trade for me right now. Me and Jar too old to be called up anyway. We're chilling. Nah. You don't escape that easily. Matt, I'm gonna secretly tip them off that you've been running marathons and shit. They'll mark you as fit for service. I'm bringing you in with me. You know how they used to have like you know how they used to have like brigades of like each during World War II? It'd be like each company or each village or whatever. We'd have the Trendlines Brigade. We just start. I don't know. We just all go to war together. Not actually that funny. I've done my time, bro. I'm done. No shot. Were you in the military? Impressive. Yep. Mad. 6 years. From 17, bro. That's insane. What'd you do? Infantry. Mad. He definitely can't tell us. He's definitely some next undercover SAS operative, and he's not allowed to tell us that. The actual... He's actually... My real assignment. Yeah, you're trained up, Jar. You're first one called back. All right, chat, but the 1 hour's coming up here. 30 minutes grabbed the bottom wick and is pushing up now. This is what I'm saying about indecision right now. So you've got literally no real clue about where we're going to go. But if the 1 hour / 4 hour can close above... Well, that's not the 4 hour. The 1 hour / 4 hour can close above 26.57. We can take some buys to continue up, right? I think that'd be very, very clean. You've got room all the way up to like 26.60 as a minimum. I think it should be good at that point. I was 1 hour Irish. First regiment Irish. I don't know. Mad. Insane. A lot of military men in here. But chat, listen. You are gonna close here on the 5 minute in about a minute's time. Bro, you've gone from the military to watching some little some like 23-year-old kid stream Forex. That's insane. That just made me laugh. Yeah, so I want to see if the 30 can flip here. As I said, right, close back above 26.57. Not the 30, sorry, the 1. If the 1 can flip here, close back above 26.57, I think we should be good to take buys to continue up, right? But until then, I don't think I want to take sells either. We're struggling to push back down. Are you still 23? I'm indeed. I'm still 23, man. I'm going to be 23 for a whole year. 12 months. Nice. So you are pushing above here. 5 minutes closing bullish. Maybe no top wick. Interesting. $23 for a whole year. Crazy. Yeah, and then when I turn 24, I'm going to stay 24 for like another 11, 12 months, give or take. November, W, bro. Good stuff. Oh, chat, 24 minutes into the close. Not interested in anything between 54 and 61. Yeah, I think it's just a range play, right? It's just a range play. But I think once you do close back into the range, you should fill it to the top again. You born in September, mate? No, I'm born in March. March. Yeah, but chat, listen, patience is the key here, right? Obviously, there's nothing we can do until essentially the 4 hour close now. So start to not focus up, but start to like think about what you need to see on the 4 hour if you are going to get positions. And this is just an opportunity if you have any questions to ask them in chat. Otherwise, you know, we'll have a little chat and wait for the closure. But drop a like if you haven't already. And yeah, that's all we can do right now, chat. Again, you've got to wait for your setups to come, right? Otherwise, I mean, what's the point? You can technically force a trade here. You could potentially say, okay, look, it looks like it's going to continue up, sure, but there's no point. You're not going to be able to like let the trades run as well as possible. Pisces, yeah, indeed. Indeed. Wait, you're 23 already? Yeah, 23 in March. I'm 23 already. Okay, chat. So you got 15-minute closure in 7 minutes as well. Be nice just to see us close above, just to show that we are going to respect. But I mean, I'm hoping you don't feel the range last minute, right? You're not talking about those words that, who the fuck is Pisces? Bro, Omar asked, so I said yeah. What's wrong with you? Yeah, chat. 23-2, nice. We have a wide age range here, which is cool. I'm not gonna lie. Wow, okay, big rejection there. Big rejection. Thought you're my year, but I think you're a year above. I'm November 2001. Bro, I'm 2001 as well. Which is pretty crazy. But like 2001's a weird, like, I don't know. You're 1999? Is it? Yeah, that's kind of mad. I watched a video on, I can't remember what it was the other day, but like, it was basically like, they asked uni students what's old, and they were like, anyone born with 19 at the start of their name is old. I was like, that's funny, bro. All these freshers at uni were saying like, some of them were even saying like, anyone born before 2005 is old. I was like, bro, what? Unk status, yeah. You lot make me sick. I have 10 years on you. Bro, it's actually not that bad. Like, but my life, I feel old now, 2001. Bro, I knew that was going to happen the moment I said it. Yeah, 2001. It tastes so good now that my coffee doesn't have turmeric or pepper in it for once. Bro, what? That makes no sense, bro. Your brain fascinates me, honestly. This guy's been putting turmeric and pepper in his coffee voluntarily, and then he doesn't do it for a day, and he's like, oh, this is really nice. Insane. No way the Shrek movie came out in 2001, bro. Pretty crazy. Chat, 15-minute close here, though. You're rejecting very heavily off this level, right? Essentially, the market structure we've got now is obviously you're just forming the lower highs and lower lows. I was hoping that we'd essentially break the market structure now and form some sort of highs. But it doesn't look like you're going to do so, right? It looks like you're just going to try and continue down here like this. But again, we'll see. We'll see. There's nothing we can do right now apart from just stay patient, lock it in, and essentially just wait for our setups to form. But again, if you do close below like 26.53 as well, you do have range here. Surely we're not having an age competition. Bro, it's mad though. It's actually crazy that you go from like Mark, bro. Mark's like 15, bro. And then you got people that are like yeah, getting into like the 30s and stuff. Such a wide range of people. I love it, man. It's cool. Age don't matter. Everyone's on their own journey. I'm 88. Insane. No shot. $88, bro. Fair play. That'd be impressive. Bro, a doctor I used to work with says his dad was born 1889. Yeah, that's... Bro, there's still people alive that are born in the 1800s, I think. Somewhere like deep into like East Asia or some shit. There's gonna be people that are born in the 1800s still. Wait, oldest man alive. Oh no, not quite. 116, that means he was born like 1908 or something. Yeah. Oh wait. Who's this person? Yeah, 116. Bro, 116 is nuts. 86 Soviet kid. Bro, that must have been fun times. Shit. Alright, chat. 15-minute close here though in 40 seconds. Seska, what's good though? How you doing, man? Yeah, that means I'd have to be over 124. There'll be someone somewhere that's over 124. Definitely. Don't want to go more than 100. That seems long. Yeah, bro. I think that guy who's like he's spending like millions to try and live as long as possible. I don't know why people... Bro, what? I don't know why I thought people couldn't make it past 100 when I was a kid. I thought that was the cutoff age. Shake my head. The cutoff age, you know? That's so funny. Chat, 15 closed bearish here. After pushing all the way back up, you closed bearish in the last minute, which is fucking crazy, to be honest. You are getting a top wick now as well, but obviously... I mean, technically it looks good for sales, don't get me wrong. You did close below as well. But I can't do anything right now, right? It's the last 15 minutes of the 4 hour. Technically, I do believe you will push down here. But again, not worth taking any positions just yet. It's a wait and see here. Seen the film Time with Justin Timberlake? Be sick if life was like that. Bro. That film's cool, but it's also fucking so dystopian. That's the one where they have it on their wrists, right? And they have to like... Yeah. But everyone... It's actually mad because it's kind of just a reflection of what actual life is like. Because the broke people have to work. Like, every single day to live. It's literally a metaphor, right? I'm betting 10 years on this buy. Yeah, trust me, I'm going full margin here. I'm bet my whole life. Whoa, I didn't get to mute. Hit TP gains you 10 years. Yeah, but if you full margin and hit stops, you're dead. Insane. Yeah, that guy spends 2 mil a year trying to reverse his agent. I think it's more than that now. Bro, I feel like people like that are just crazy. It's a bit like trying to play God. Yeah, that would mess with your psychology, eh? That would mess with your psychology. 33 on mine. Now you have to refresh, bro. We're on like 60 likes right now. We're on like 57. You should have to refresh. But yeah, chat. Listen, let's try to get to 70 likes today on today's stream. I appreciate it very, very much. You guys truly are killing it. What do you say? 4-hour close coming, man. Keep waiting. Yeah, bro. I mean, listen, we're just being very patient, to be honest. Being very, very patient here. As we have to be, right? There's nothing else we can do. There's nothing else we can do. You literally just have to wait here. The 4-hour closes in 10 minutes, chat. If you can't wait 10 minutes for a trade, you're yeah, you're cooked. I'm not gonna lie. You're cooked. But no, as long as you close bearish on the 1 hour here and the 4 hour, I believe it would be good to take some sells to continue down, right? I don't see why not. Stops are not that bad either. Yeah, you should be chilling, especially if you get a wick entry, like tapping into like 26.57, somewhere around there. You can get at least 1k likes. Yeah, easy. Easy. There's a Russian billionaire whose entire life goal is to work out how to download/upload consciousness so he can basically live forever. Insane. That's crazy, bro. That's like wasn't there a series about that on Netflix ages ago? I only watched like one episode, but one of my boys really enjoyed it. Ricky, what's good, man? I'm doing very well. How are you? Chat, 10 minutes here. You got a 5-minute close coming up here. You're closing sort of weak, or you might close bearish. Again, as long as the realistically, it would be better if the 1 hour could close below 26.54, but at the same time, I still think you're probably good to continue down here, especially with the way that we've sort of now retested into this level. If you remember at the start of this morning, we were sort of expecting, you know, we wanted a retest of this level as a minimum, and we got that retest very, very quickly. Now we're looking to continue down, right? So if we can just essentially make a decent closure, you should be good to continue here. And we can take some sells to come down. Dmitry Iskov. I'll look it up, man. Does sound interesting. Chat, give me a second, yeah. I'll be back in literally 2 secs. Whoa. Alright, man. Cool. We're back. We are back. Dimitri probably only gets wick entries too. Insane. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Someone wanted to know how much SG paid for his latest haul of underwear. Insane. Oddballs is crazy. Forehead reveal. Chat, you guys are off the rails today. What the fuck? Alright, listen. 8 minutes here to the close. 8 minutes. Bro, that's so funny. I used to wear my hair in like curtains so you could see my forehead. It's not even that big, to be honest. That reverse agent guy's a baller though. He bought Venmo and Braintree for 26 mil and sold it the following year to PayPal for 800 mil. Bro, insane. 75 likes for a reveal. I'm not going to reveal it. What am I going to do? Sit here on stream and go like this? Insane. 7 minutes, chat. Start to focus up here. Let's lock it in. There's a lot of potential to get a trade right now. A lot of potential. So I want to see exactly how we close here. But look at the way you're reacting off this 26.57 level here. Every single time you tap into it, you're rejecting very hard. So I want to see if we can, on the 4 hour, come up, tap into that level, and then continue back down, right? Bro, what is this? What is this hairline stuff? My hairline is perfectly fine. It's not receding even slightly. Look, my hairline's great. And there's my forehead too. I have a perfect hairline. I have a long history of non-balding men, I guess. Don't chat to me. Just because I wear my hair down doesn't mean I don't have a fucking hairline. I had to beat these allegations real quick. My eyes. Yeah. Nah, honestly, like, I mean, realistically, in my sort of family, I don't think there's really no, like, no real baldness, to be honest. I mean, I'll go grey probably. I'm just gonna turn that into a silver fox aesthetic, and then we'll be chilling. We'll be chilling. You don't know crying at the barbers till you hit 30? Yeah, trust me. Crying at the barbers. Bro, it's nothing a bit of money can't fix here. Take a little trip to Turkey. You'll be fine. Actually, probably don't do it in Turkey. But chat, listen, you got 5 minutes here to the 4 hour close. So, Eugene's got no hairline, bro. He's going bald already. Yeah, chat. As long as you can close decently here on the 4, not close no bottom wick on the 1 hour. That's the main thing. Yeah, you should be chilling. I do want to see sort of. It's gonna push the last 5 minutes, isn't it? Like we just know exactly how it works. Where's the best place you've been for a little holiday? It's gonna sound mad, but I'd say a yacht. It's like spending a couple of weeks on a yacht in Marbella. The clinic in Cape Town, make a day of it. Hey, there you go. Easy dubs. Last 5 minute range fill. Yeah, hopefully not, chat. Listen, lock it in here. Lock it in. 4 minutes and 30 seconds to the close. Yeah, no, Matt, I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. But yeah, if you can close, actually, chat, even if you can close bullish on this 30, like, or just doji, either way, that should be good for a continuation downwards, right? Should be good. I want to start to lock it in here, though, chat. You guys are fucking hilarious, I can't lie, but I need to focus up. So, that being said, chat, listen. You do have a 4 hour close here. I'm going to go back through this. 4 hour close. Obviously, you've got clean traffic down here now on the 4. I'm not saying that we will continue all the way down, but as a minimum, you should see a wick fill, right? You should see a wick fill. Now, the 30 minute is closing sort of weak bullish. However, you do have, you know, a rejection off this level at 26.57 over and over and over again. So if you can grab a top wick now, you should be good to continue down to at least the bottom of this range, right? Which gives you like 15 pips as a break-even point. And then the wick fill and further down will be your TP. But yeah, as long as, you know, everything performs correctly, the 1 hour stays bearish, should be good. Otherwise, if you do push up here right now, last minute and close above, we'll take buys, but I'm not sure that happens. 3 minutes though. 3 minutes. So much potential here, chat. I just want to see, actually, wait, let me open my broker. Yeah, let me open this broker real quick. There you are. Cool. I've been in sales for about 2 hours. We'll join you then. We'll join you. Potentially. Yeah, I would want to see you close a little bit weaker, stronger bearish, sorry. But I don't think it should be an issue. I think realistically, you should tap into the bottom of the range again as a minimum. As long as you get a decent top wick here, you'll be fine. People new to the channel are going to think we're mad. How do you go from looking at setup to SG getting a transplant on head? Bro. Yeah, tough. Quick meet in SG. Alright, in a bit, Jar. This gets a little bit difficult now if you close this bullish. Now the 30 minutes closing bullish, not even like doji or anything. Yeah, now the 1 hour's like weak. I don't know, chat. Let's see. 1 minute, 40 seconds. It does look good though, I'm not gonna lie. You did make another lower high. Should be good to continue down now. You just need some more volume, right? Literally all we need right now. Secret meeting. Alright, focus up here. 1 minute, 20 seconds, chat. Focus, focus, focus. The worst thing that can happen, chat. I'm trying to click my finger there. The worst thing that can happen is if you just rip down here, bottom wick first to the bottom of the range. That's like textbook gold, right? But if it does that, we'll be done because... yeah. Previous candle swept, yet can't close below. Yeah, I agree. But the important thing is the structure's with us, right? Structure's bearish. It did sweep. But at the same time, you know, you got a wick fill here on the 4 hour. Focus, 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 focus. There's pizza on your focus. That's such a good video. Throwback as well. 30 seconds, chat. Lock it in. BM is looking pretty level at the minute. It's BM. Stupid. 16 seconds to the close, chat. Baby mum. Bookmap. Yeah, we're consolidating, right? Okay, chat. Okay. For the 4 hour close here. Is it going to do exactly what we said it needs to not do? Yeah, it is. Good. Good, good, good. Alright, well, that's great, chat. I mean, technically, you could still come up here. Yes. Yes, gold. Thank you. Let's see, though. To be honest, you haven't really gone anywhere. You've moved like 5 pips or something. 4 pips. But I'm actually getting chat. The one thing that you know, like, when you've been looking at charts for a long, long time is you can, like, guess... you can guess candle pips just by eye. It's really weird, bro. Like, you start to just guess exactly how many pips a certain candle is just by looking at it. But, anyway... if you do come up here, chat, make a bigger top... you're going to need a bigger top wick now, right? You need a top wick into, like... 58 probably minimum, and then you can rip down. We can still take the re-break of this low, right? Obviously, if it pushes down further here, then we can't do much. But yeah, if you did get a top wick, you might be alright. Otherwise, chat, remember we are streaming New York session as well, so make sure you pull up to the New York session stream in like 3 hours time if you aren't already doing that. As well as that, like I said, if you are sort of in the market for a funded account, if you need new accounts, or if you passed your existing one, code SG at ACG or Funded Trading Plus gets you 20% off. And yeah, other than that, join the free Discord. That's the final plug of the day. Free Discord. But yeah, chat, at the minute you're just ripping down right now. And I'm not gonna lie, this looks very... yeah, this is tough now. This is tough. Thinking about going to Greek Islands next week for a month or so. Sorry, for a week or so next month, but not sure. You been to any Greek Islands? I've been to about 16 different Greek Islands, bro. Yeah, I've been to so many. like a ridiculous amount, Scott. You think we'll drop? Maybe, but I can't take any positions here, especially because we came down. Chat, I swear to God, it's listening. About 5 minutes ago, I said the worst thing that could happen is that we just rip down bottom wick first. And what have we done here? We've done exactly that. So what I'd need now, chat, is I need either I'm gonna need us to continue up here, make a top wick, and then reflip, or I'm gonna need us to reflip now, close above, and then we can take buys up. But otherwise, I can't take much here until we do one of those two things. But yeah, if the 1 hour did flip up here and close bullish above, great. That's wild, fair play. Scott, if I was you, I'd go to Paros, the little tiny island, bro. But it'd be a fucking insane getaway. Cheap as well. It's like Santorini, but no tourists. Well, not no tourists, but barely any tourists. Matt, where was your entry? Hopefully you're chilling here. Thanks, mate. W. Yeah, no problem. I'm happy to help out. I feel like a Greek travel agent. Chat, if you do start to get a bottom wick here and flip, we could potentially take some buys off of this wick. But you'd need everything to form correctly, right? And that's going to be a long time. So closed half with the 15 rejection, stops B. Hey, W, bro, good stuff. Yeah, that's huge. Hopefully it continues down here for you. You just re-break the lows, but you're starting to reject here as well. Yeah, chat, to be honest, I think that's going to be me done. That's going to be me done. I'm not going to get anything here until maybe a little bit later, a couple of hours time. Maybe New York, right? But, chat, before you jump off, if you are going to leave, make sure you drop a like. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, right? We're trying to get to 5k subs by the end of the month now. It's an ambitious target, don't get me wrong. Shadow ban kind of ruined it for us, but definitely possible. So make sure you subscribe and all that stuff if you haven't already. We're literally like 15 subs off 4.5k. But right now we'll play the pixel letters and we'll call it a little session, and we'll be back for New York very, very shortly. All right. So we'll be back in about 3 hours time, chat, for New York. I'll sub right now. You got it. Hey, what's good, Green? What's good, man? How you doing? Guys, either up early or up late. Doing good, my boy. Hey, good stuff. Alright, chat, what's the word here? Someone help me out. What about... Oh, no, there's no E. Swamp? A mad guess, but it could actually be true as well. Yeah, fucking hell. Fair play, Matt. Insane. Up for the session. Peace, Trent. Alright, in a bit, Michael. Peace out, man. SHELF. Whoa! Someone's cooking. Someone is cooking. Final one, chat. We're actually screaming through these. I told you we'd reject here as well. Look at that. It's a clean rejection. Clean rejection. Again, we have to wait though. You guys are cheating? Yeah, maybe. Just like you at the GeoGuessr. Nah, because then we come up with words like datch that doesn't even exist. Goated? Question mark. Maybe. Maybe. Latch. Alright. What's the word, chat? Dutch? Oh. Well, big yawn. No U. There's no U, unfortunately. Could be a D at the start, to be fair. D-A. R. I don't know, bro. Dapper? Isn't that with two P's? Yeah. Dapper. It doesn't have to be a D at the start either. It could be anything. Actually, I think it does have to be a D. Could be an E, I guess, but it's not likely going to be an E. Bro, what could this be? Use your cheats? I'm trying. They're not activating. Does it have to be a D? Yeah. Then what? A? Then could be like a safer. It can't be a S first. But my mind is completely blank. Can't be daddy. Yeah, that's crazy. I shouldn't say that. Insane. Bro, what could this be? Darts? Can't be a T or an S. Could be an R though. Dart. Dead. Dead? It's not a D first, but what is the first letter? Is it a Z? No. E? I feel like that's not a very confident guess. Can't think of anything else. Yeah, what could this be? Oh wait. It's gotta be eager, no? But that's what it is. Alright, W. Fuck, that was actually a hard one, I can't lie. Hey, do we have a trade today? No, no trade today, but we'll be back for New York, right? There's no setups at the minute. But chat W, good little game there. Still mental arithmetic. Yeah, man, interesting times. No setups for us right now, but sort of are struggling at this level, so we'll see what we do here. But yeah, man, listen, I'll see you guys back for New York. I appreciate you guys very much for pulling up. W stream either way. It was a pretty fun conversation, I can't lie. And yeah. Otherwise, listen, I'll catch you all in New York. Make sure you join the Discord if you haven't already. It's completely free. Peace out. Much love. See you later, man. Bye-bye. Peace.